morning. This is Dr. Amar Shinde. I'm a psychiatrist and we also run Jagruti Rehabilitation Center, a center for psychological care, a de-addiction center and dementia care in Pune and Mumbai. I'm also a proud Rotarian and believe in the service of people. Currently, due to COVID-19 situation, there is lot of anxiety and panic in the society. We can divide this panic and anxiety into three categories. Like first category will be the normal anxiety. So whenever there is a panic situation or war-like situation or any pandemic, usually we are going through lot of anxiety, lot of worry, depressive thoughts, and these are absolutely normal. Sometimes these thoughts can go easily when the situation comes back to the normal. But the second category is the mild anxiety or mild anxiety and depression. These people may need professional counseling, sometimes they may need yoga, meditation, as their anxiety and worry is more. They are disturbed and they also have the sleep disturbances, they lost appetite, and these type of people also come out of the condition easily. Third category will be the moderate to severe anxiety and depression. These are having severe anxiety, they are having body aches, pains, and sometimes severe depressive thoughts. Sometimes they may have suicidal ideation also. So this type of category we can divide into few conditions, and these people need psychological care. They have to go to the psychiatrist and they will get some medications and counseling along with the treatment. These type of patients can be divided. First is the phobia. There is a lot of corona phobia currently. The people always feel they will get the corona or they have the corona. They will always check them. They will always check for the fever. They always check for the cough. These type of people are called as coronaphobia and they need absolute psychiatric treatment. Second category is adjustment disorder with depression. Adjustment to the current situation, adjustment to the financial losses, occupational losses, lockdown, and the marital discord. These people also need psychological help. The third category is severe depression with suicidal. So these patients currently we are seeing there is a epidemic in Pune, almost 11 to 12 suicide in last week. So that means so everyone need to be understand their psychological help, and you all should help each other to come out of this condition. There should be awareness of these psychiatric conditions. People should not worry to go to the psychiatrist, as they will definitely help them to come out of the condition. Also understand that this is a temporary situation. All medical experts from foreign and India, they are predicting the situation can continue for next 6 to 9 months, not more than that. So be patient, be calm, and you will definitely come out of this condition. Thank all the best to all of the people, and thank you.